Hello, this is Tim from 3D Print Cheshire. We get a lot of questions from clients ringing up asking what we can print and if we can help with specific things that they want spare parts for, etc. So I thought I would give you an example of something that we've done for a client this week, just so that you can see exactly what 3D printing can do for you and your business. We had a client call up on Thursday saying that they had a part in one of their machines which has broken rather, and needed to be replaced. The replacement part comes as part of a larger assembly, which was about £400, and these things break quite frequently. So they've asked us if we can replicate the specific part that they need. It's only a small piece of plastic, which is this one here, and we've been able to successfully replicate the part, which is this one here. As you can see, they are almost, if I get them the right way around, they are absolutely identical, okay, apart from obviously the colour. So we've been able to replicate this part for our clients, and we're hopefully going to be saving them a few £100 for each one of these parts. And it's very, very quick turnaround. We received the part on Friday, and this is now Saturday, and the part is now ready for our client to test to make sure it is what they need. So if you have any parts that you need replicating, all we need is the original part, and we will be able to replicate that part for you for your machinery, whatever it may well be, to save you hundreds of pounds potentially in spare parts. So if you'd like to know more, you can visit our website, which is 3dprintcheshire.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 01625 837 909. Thanks so much. Bye bye.